Hey family, hope everybody's doing well. So I have all the ingredients laid out on the counter. I'm also going to add on the screen everything that I'm going to use along with the measurements, okay? So you can just pause it at any time and take a picture of the screen if you decide to try this recipe. So starting off, I'm going to use 1 zucchini. Then I have in that little cup is some unsweetened applesauce. And that's just like the 6-pack of applesauce that I picked up. I also have some unsweetened cocoa powder. In that white bowl, I have 3 large eggs. Leave your eggs out at least like 15-20 minutes before you do your bacon so they can sit in room temperature. Then I have a box of raisins back there, and you can use any amount of raisins that you want if you decide to use raisins. Next to that, I have some whole wheat flour. I have cinnamon, brown sugar, then I'm using some vanilla extract, also some nutmeg. I have both baking powder and baking soda. I have some vegetable oil, and I'm going to use a little pink Himalayan salt, but use whatever type of salt you have. And then I have some butter there. The butter, I'm just going to use that to line my my baking pan for my muffins so they won't stick. And so that's pretty much everything. So now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of baking our muffins. Alright, G Squad, here are our muffins fresh out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool off, and then I'm going to pop them out of the pan and just break one on camera so you can see how moist they are. Okay, and lift it up and see how easily it comes out of there. Okay, so that's how it looks. Alright family, so here we are. I have my muffins all plated and out of the pan. And so as I said, I'm going to break one on camera for you. And so even without me breaking it, can you see how moist that is? Yo, it's a dog barking in the background. I'm back in New York, so it is what it is. So now I'm going to break. And this is how it looks. Okay, nice and moist. Look at that, y'all. Yes, yes. And it's not too sweet. It's the perfect amount, you know, brown sugar. And so, yeah. But, family, so that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Welcome our new family members and also thank the returning family members as well. And I love you all so much. I'm about to make me a nice little cup of tea and enjoy one of these bad boys off the camera. And yeah, love you, stay blessed, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.